A few years ago, a new supermarket arrived in our neighborhood. At the grand opening sale, a dozen eggs sold for 79 cents. The other supermarkets were quick to match that price. After all, they didn't want to lose their loyal customers to their new competitor. For a long time, the standard price all over town for a dozen eggs remained 79 cents. Life was good. One day, the stores raised the price of eggs to $1.29 per dozen. We missed the good old days of 79-cent eggs, but this was still a reasonable price. Recently, without warning, the price of eggs leaped. 2 weeks ago, I bought a dozen eggs for $7.90. How could the price of eggs rise from 79 cents to $7.90 so quickly? That's a staggering 1,000% price increase. Let's hope that hyperinflation doesn't spread throughout the economy. Imagine if the price of other things jumped 1,000%. In the United States, a fast food meal of a hamburger, fries, and a soda cost about $18. What if it suddenly cost $180? That's $720 for a family of 4. The average new car cost $49,000. If we add a zero, it would cost almost $500,000. The monthly payment would be astronomical. Fortunately, help is on its way. The awesome people of Turkey are shipping 15,000 metric tons of eggs to the United States. The shipments will continue through July 2025, when the American hen population should be rebuilt. How amazing that fragile eggs can be safely transported thousands of miles across the Atlantic Ocean. Here at Quills and Cliffhangers, we have been debating what to do while we wait for the eggs to arrive from Turkey and the prices to come back down. Plan A. Raise our own chickens. Princess Catalina thought this was a great idea. We researched how to build chicken coops and protect the birds from predators. Then we found out that those cute little chicks need 18 weeks to grow up and start producing eggs. The emergency egg shipment from Turkey should arrive long before that. Plan B. Rent some chickens. Yes, this is a real thing. There are chicken rental companies that provide full-grown hens in portable coops. We're not exactly sure how this works. We assume it's sort of like leasing a car, and that you would need to return the chickens in good condition at the end of the lease. Plan C. We could stop buying eggs until the price comes back down. We tried that for a few weeks. Breakfast was boring, so we moved on to our best plan yet: enjoy eggs at breakfast, but find egg alternatives for baking. This reduced our egg purchases by about half. By conducting an internet search for vegan recipes, we found clever egg-free strategies for cookies, brownies, cakes, muffins, and even pancakes. We have been experimenting with replacing one egg with 1/4 cup of one of the following: Greek yogurt, applesauce, mashed banana, peanut butter, pumpkin puree. We're glad to enjoy our favorite treats again. Is the price of eggs rising where you live? Please share your ideas for cracking the code to this exasperating situation.